Terra Luna coin is officially crashed to zero. Is it time to buy? What is going on, everybody? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today we're talking about Terra Luna. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over Terra Luna and the crazy couple of events that have happened over the last 10 or about 5 days. It's been about a week, give or take. And the amount of news, speculation, fear, uncertainty, doubt, it's everywhere right now, and the market is definitely not short on it either way. And one of the most common questions that we keep on getting about Terra Luna is what is happening, number one, and should I buy, right? That's one of the most asked questions I see in the comment section. I see it in our Discord. I see it everywhere. And for the most part, guys, I want to get into a few things in this video today, specifically about should you buy Terra Luna? Is that a smart decision? Where's Terra Luna going in the future? Will it ever recover? And a bunch of other stuff. And I think one of the first things I want to illustrate is the chart, guys. Look at this chart. If I have ever seen a just terrible chart, this is one of them. This is the worst chart I think it's safe to say that I've ever seen, right? Beyond just the price action of dropping from $83 per coin all the way to now we're even less, guys. We are at zero. Terra Luna's gone to zero. I'm not going to play around at this point, right? Terra Luna is officially at the same level of Shiba Inu, right? It is worth fractions of a penny, trillions of a penny, and it is literally down horrendously. And the technical indicators aren't looking too hot either, guys. When you look at the MACD, right? Let's take a look at the 200-day MA, or not MACD, the moving average, I should say, the 200-day MA and the 20-day MA. Again, the difference here is very, very stark. As you can see, the price action has moved significantly below, of course, that 20-day MA. And when that does happen, we typically see a lot more bearish momentum. And then, of course, the 200-day. Again, this is such a wide gap that we have pretty much lost all relevancy, guys. And as you can see here, too, if we go into the minutia, look at where we're at right now. Again, we're at literally 0.00021. And that is where we're at, guys. Keep in mind, too, guys, this is the worst part about this whole thing, was that when Terra Luna did crash to get this, over $1, or it was even at, I think, 50 to 60, 30 cents at some point, people were buying. People were still buying, guys. People were throwing in thousands and thousands of dollars saying, buy the dip, buy the dip. Luna's gonna go right back to the moon. Don't worry. And as you can see, guys, that's not the case. It dropped even lower, and most of those people, unfortunately, got wrecked. Now, you're probably thinking, you said you were going to tell us if you think buying Luna is a good idea. It sounds like I think I know what you're about to say. And you're right. You probably do know what I'm about to say. And what I'm about to say is that I think that, in my opinion, Terra Luna right now is not something that I'm touching with a 10-foot pole. And you know what? If you like Terra Luna, if you like the project, if you like the use case, if you think somehow it's going to recover, great. Good on you. I hope that that's the case, and I hope Terra Luna does. But for now, for this case, for everybody wondering, should I buy into Terra Luna and everything, me personally, I'm not touching it. Even though, if you look right here on TradingView, these big spiked lines, which if you are not familiar with technical analysis, those are referring to the trading volume, basically how much trading volume is happening on a day-to-day basis. And right now, there's quite a bit of it. There's actually quite a lot of it. And again, it's spiking up in pretty impressive ways. Now, keeping that in mind, even though the trading volume is spiking like that, it's still not something that I want to really be involved in or really, of course, touch. Because look, guys, the volatility has dropped significantly. We're so low, guys. Again, when you think about Terra Luna and the overall growth that it experienced over the last year, it took a year just to get to those all-time highs, which is incredible, right? Very impressive either way. But again, a recovery like this from literally trillions of a penny, it's just not very likely, guys, unless the Terra Luna team can do something absolutely incredible. Again, as you can see, trading volume has surged over 200%. But guess what, guys? Again, there's nothing being done. We still know that algorithmic stablecoins are extremely risky in this market. And again, this is the first, in my opinion, of many examples that I think that we're going to start to see of large cryptocurrencies that people know and love, all of a sudden crashing out to zero. Now, again, I'm not saying your whole crypto portfolio is going to go to zero and that you need to sell everything. I'm not saying that. What I am saying, though, is that there are a few key players here that I think for a long time have gotten away with this kind of stuff, mostly because, well, the markets are favorable, right? The markets go, hey, who cares? I'll throw my money at anything. I mean, guys, when we're in a market where there are coins like PP Poo Poo Fart Coin or whatever that are going to the moon, there might be an issue there. There might be a pretty substantial issue there that we're not addressing. So you need to keep that in mind, that even though, hey, things look good there still can be a potential for, of course, these types of events, these types of almost rug pull style, falls and drops in price. It happens and it's possible. Guys, if you feel lost in the stock market, if you feel lost in the cryptocurrency markets, I want to recommend hitting the second link down in the description below and sign up with our Discord. First of all, you can join our Discord today, right now, this very instant, for free. It does not cost a single thing. We have a free section. We give out free alerts. But if you guys want to take it one step further, I really recommend getting signed up with our premium. You get all of these different benefits when you sign up with either of these roles. Again, if you guys want to get in there for $30 a month, try it out, see if you like it, see if you don't. You guys can get in at that with $30 a month at the premium membership. And if you guys want to be there and only have to pay once, again, we have an all-inclusive package where literally only $200, but it's only one time instead of the monthly. You save a bit of money there, and overall, it's a pretty good system. These prices are going to go up eventually, guys. We're not doing it right now, but they will be going eventually, so keep in mind and keep an eye on that as well. Overall, guys, I think that everything, again, with Terra Luna is going to be something that we're going to be watching over and over again. As you can see, due to the depeg of USDT or UST, Luna is experiencing extreme volatility. Please proceed with caution. Also, the Terra blockchain was halted recently, which was pretty nuts. But again, the team needs to do some major reworks, some major addressing of what is going on right now in the markets before I think we see any further recovery, if you want to call it that, in this coin. So please keep that in mind, guys. Be safe out there. And of course, hit the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day.